Does your baby cough right after burping? It usually happens because air pressure shifts suddenly in the chest. When trapped gas escapes, it can tickle the throat and trigger a cough. Newborns have immature esophageal control, so small reflux is common. That reflux can briefly irritate the airway, causing a short cough. If the baby's breathing sounds clear afterward, it's usually harmless. But if coughing happens often with feeding, talk to your pediatrician. Understanding these tiny reflexes helps you care with confidence. Subscribe for more baby insights.